Ragi is the most amazing superfood in the world. It's a great millet, uses very less water to cultivate, and it's the future and the food of tomorrow. And it's a powerhouse of iron and calcium, and so great for you. All the symptoms of osteoporosis go away, you sleep better, you wake up better, depression goes away because it actually ups your tryptophan and works on the serotonin tryptophan balance. And it's great for your hair, your skin, anti-aging. The liver function gets better, heart health is better, it lowers the blood pressure, and so many more uses, including IBS. I could go on and on. So make sure you give it to your baby and for the mother. Inesh, congratulations on baby Iris coming into this world. So this is especially for you and your baby, and for everyone else in Portugal and elsewhere. So this is a yummy cake I'm going to show you. It's super healthy. It's actually great for you. You don't need to feel guilty, and everyone is going to ask you, what is this delicious yummy cake or mousse that you made? So here are the ingredients. We have sprouted ragi flour and bananas. You take it all in equal portions, and virgin coconut oil. You can use walnuts. Here we are using cashew nuts because we don't have walnuts today, and cinnamon. Everything organic, of course, and some vanilla essence and baking powder and a bit of baking soda. We can use stevia or honey or jaggery, whatever you like as a sweetener. So simple, all the liquid ingredients go in. So here goes my coconut oil. It's a lot of fun because putting your hand in the earth and in food, making your own food, is very therapeutic. After all, it's your own energy which goes in. And you think, as a mother or as someone who loves someone, who else could give such great energy other than yourself? And then we're going to put the vanilla essence inside. This is organic vanilla as well, a tiny bit. And then here goes the cinnamon powder. And we have the baking soda and the baking powder, tiny bit again. And I'm going to mash my bananas into this. You can see all the bananas going in here. What fun, we're going to get our hands into this. We can add cacao if we want, whatever we want, but today I'm going to try to make it simple so you can use all the ingredients what you have. So now that this is mashed, I'm going to add the cashew nuts inside. And a little bit of salt as well. Regular salt is important to bring out the flavor. And then I'm going to add the stevia inside. And imagine how great this is for you. You don't need to feel guilty about eating a cake ever, because every little ingredient here is going to lower your cholesterol. It's going to make you, sleep better. You can use whatever oil or, healthy fat. Don't use margarine though. So here is the stevia going in. And after the stevia, we have the ragi flour going inside. And that's all it takes for you to make a cake. Can you imagine, instead of buying something which is made with hydrogenated fats, and this is gluten free, full of fiber. So for people who really want to be healthy, I promise you, try 3 weeks getting off gluten and you will see the mental clarity you will experience. So we are already done with the batter. I'm going to add my cashew nuts inside. And here is I have the tray which is greased already with the oil, and then I'm going to pour it inside. So here we go. We have you can see how many minutes, I have no idea, but this is the fastest, yummiest, healthiest cake in the world. So that's it. So we are good to go. You can see how amazing this looks, and it's great to go in the oven and bake it into, you can make it into mousse, cake, brownie, whatever you like, depending on the texture and flavors that you enjoy. So experiment with this, write back to us, and we are here to share more healthy, yummy recipes to work on your immune system, because really this is the food is the medicine of the future. I really trust plants rather than something which comes from a plant. So let's have fun, let's celebrate life, food, and loving and living. Be home, be safe. Thank you so much.